247.com presents the Chicken Like a Red-Nosed North Carolina Tour Bash. Coming live to Club Climax, Kinston, North Carolina. Saturday night, July 13th. Performing live on stage, it's Sage the Gemini. Performing the smash hit single, Red Nose.
Chicken like a red-nosed pit bull, and I'ma keep money to your bank for. North Carolina, what's up? SAG the Gemini will be performing Red Nose Gas Pedal in Kingston, July 13th, this Saturday. Be there, be square.
So something at 10 p.m. Everyone $15 before 12. First 10 ladies get in free. For more info or opening acts, call 919-809-0404. Ladies and Gemini performing live Saturday night, July 13th at Club Climax, Kinston. This concert event is brought to you by iGrind247.com.
She gon' shake.